O humanity, worship your Lord, who created you and those before you, so that you may become mindful of Him. He is the one who has made the earth a place of settlement for you and the sky a canopy, and sends down rain from the sky, causing fruits to grow as a provision for you. So do not knowingly set up equals to Allah in worship. And if you are in doubt about what we have revealed to our servant, then produce a surah like it and call your helpers other than Allah, if what you say is true. But if you are unable to do so, and you will never be able to do so, then fear the fire fueled with people and stones, which is prepared for the disbelievers. Give good news, O Prophet, to those who believe and do good, that they will have gardens under which rivers flow. Whenever provided with fruit, they will say, "This is what we were given before," for they will be served fruit that looks similar, but taste is different. They will have pure spouses, and they will be there forever. Surely Allah does not shy away from using the parable of a mosquito or what is even smaller. As for the believers, they know that it is the truth from their Lord, and as for the disbelievers, they argue, "What does Allah mean by such a parable?" Through this test, He leaves many to stray and guides many, and He leaves none to stray except the rebellious. Those who violate Allah's commandment after it has been affirmed, break whatever ties Allah has ordered to be maintained, and spread corruption in the land. It is they who are the true losers. How can you deny Allah? You were lifeless, and He gave you life, then He will cause you to die and again bring you to life, and then to Him you will all be returned. He is the one who created everything in the earth for you. Then He turned toward the heaven, forming it into seven heavens, and He has perfect knowledge of all things. Remember, when your Lord said to the angels, "I am going to place a successive human authority on earth," they asked Allah, "Will you place in it someone who will spread corruption there and shed blood while we glorify your praises and proclaim your holiness?" Allah responded, "I know what you do not know."